Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless My Set Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance closing act. The song is State of Mind, the artist is DJ Tunes and WIZKID, and the choreography is RASHAN. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
State of mind. Ain't no good time, I know the guy. Come fix me up, come fix your life. And the future looking hella bright. Oh, we can get it. Give me body, nigga, you can get it. Give your body, baby, you should get it. Baby, next, I said, baby, you should get it. Oh, yeah, baby, make me simple it. Tell me why your body, baby, you should get it. Show you the money, repete, put it next, I said, maybe simple it. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Ah, oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, yeah, baby, show me what you need. No, they book up. Facilities to pop. Baby, tell me what you need. You know, for here we know they carry with no sweet body. You been good like you sweetheart. You know, go finish, you know, go finish, you know, for. It's a lifestyle blessing, stay me up. All the things will gonna last me for long. So give me a little more. I don't feel like the money, they control me. That's why I control the money and roll it. Depend on that real flex, big sex.
And there you go, closing act. My name is Linda Sims. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.